I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell digital products on Etsy. First, begin by identifying a profitable niche. Research trending digital products like planners or art prints to understand market demand. Next, analyze competitor shops to learn from their successful strategies and pricing. Finally, select a unique shop name that clearly communicates your brand and incorporates relevant keywords to attract potential customers from the start. Once your niche is set, focus on creating high-quality digital products using design tools such as Canva or the Adobe Suite. When listing, craft compelling titles and detailed descriptions, incorporating relevant keywords for Etsy search engine optimization. Remember to upload up to 10 high-resolution images and 1 video to visually showcase your product. Etsy allows up to 5 files per listing, each with a maximum size of 20 megabytes. To boost visibility, maximize your Etsy SEO. Use all 13 available tags, combining broad and specific keywords to capture diverse searches. Beyond Etsy, leverage social media platforms such as Pinterest and Instagram to promote your shop and drive external traffic. You might also consider Etsy ads for targeted promotion, understanding that off-site ads incur a 15% fee for sales under $10,000. Strategic pricing is crucial for profitability. Remember Etsy's fees: a 20-cent listing fee, a 6.5% transaction fee, and a payment processing fee of 3% plus 25 cents per transaction. Provide excellent customer service and clear shop policies. Continuously analyze your sales data and customer feedback to refine your products and improve your offerings, ensuring long-term success and customer satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.